You know that cake that makes you close your eyes on the first bite and instantly takes you back to memories of grandma's house, cozy afternoons and special moments with loved ones? Today we're making a carrot cake unlike anything you've ever had before. Forget everything you know about carrot cake. Whether it's topped with chocolate, cream cheese or even brigadeiro. This is a caramelized carrot cake. Super soft, aromatic and packed with warmth from cinnamon and nutmeg. All wrapped in a rich, melt-in-your-mouth toffee sauce that makes this cake truly unforgettable. Stay with me until the end because I'm sharing all the secrets to making this recipe absolutely perfect. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius and greasing a 20 by 20 centimeters 8 by 8 inch. In a large bowl mix 190 g 1 cup of brown sugar and 100 g half a cup of white sugar. Add 2 eggs, 85 g 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once everything is well combined, add 300 g about 2 medium grated carrots. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. For extra flavor and texture, we're adding dates. First, soak 90 g about half a cup of dates in hot water before starting the batter. In another bowl, sift together 160 g 1 and 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, along with the chopped dates and 90 g 3/4 cup of roughly chopped pecans. Stir gently until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's make the toffee sauce. Start by melting 45 g 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 190 g 1 cup of brown sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Now, slowly add 180 g 3/4 cup of heavy cream, stirring until the sauce is smooth and glossy. I like to warm the cream slightly before adding it to prevent sugar crystallization. Finish with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, poke small holes with a fork and pour some of the toffee sauce over it. Let the cake rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. When serving, drizzle more toffee sauce on top. And for an extra crunchy texture and beautiful presentation, sprinkle about 30 g 1/4 cup of roughly chopped pecans over the cake. This takes it to the next level. This cake pairs perfectly with a scoop of ice cream. And you know what's even better? This cake tastes even better the next day, as it soaks up the sauce and develops an amazing texture. Trust me, you're going to fall in love with this caramelized carrot cake. Did you enjoy this recipe? Now it's your turn to try it and fill your home with that irresistible smell of homemade cake. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes. Check out the next video popping up on your screen. See you next time.